Hello everyone, this is Justin from the Honors Marketing team, and today I'm going to show you how to add a LearnDash calendar event from the WordPress admin area. So first we're going to go to LearnDash and find calendar events. As you can see here, there's a couple events already populated. So we're going to go to add new. We're going to give our calendar event a title. So let's call it exam review webinar. Add a link here if we'd like. So let's set the date for the 27th and the time for 12. Let's say this goes for 2 hours. You can choose a background color and a text color. Background, let's go with this shade of blue. Text color, we'll just keep white. So visibility. So let's say we want this calendar event to only show up for a certain LearnDash course. We're going to go to the drop down, find LearnDash courses. And then for the course, we want it to show up for just setting up PayPal for LearnDash. See that right there? Click on Publish. Alright, now let's go to our site. In the course page, let's look for setting up PayPal for LearnDash right here. And I've already added the LearnDash calendar shortcode to this page. As you can see, the event right here, and this also gives users the ability to add it to their Google Calendar or Outlook.